the green car. And then this is my car, the red hellcat. This is my car. Her name is Corta. And look inside. Okay. And then this is what the type CJR. CJR. And then this is and if you want an engine like this, first you want a red engine, but if you want a black engine, you want to make it like this. If you want to change your brakes, and then look. And then this is what you get sometimes. Sometimes you get, so this is only for this, to keep it on.
It's like Netflix. Yeah.
And then Theo, what's your name?
Christian.
Christian.
Or Uncle Coon.
Or if you want to call him Uncle Crew, or you can just call him Crew. And then he knows who you're talking to. And then look how loud it is. It's gonna turn on soon. And then this is his iPad. Fixes cars. Do you? Theo Chris. Do you fix cars?
I sure do.
So he fixes cars easily.
You like the GoPro?
Huh?
You like the GoPro?
Huh?
You like the GoPro?
GoPro? What?
You like it?
What?
The GoPro, that's called a GoPro.
Oh, yeah. I want to have one.
Make sure you're well.
I know. And then I'll show you the hellcat symbol. And then if you want red on red, look, this is on red. Red on red. This is the smooth one, the white one. And then ready?
This is actually what it's supposed to be.
What's your name?
My name is Jamar. Jackass. Jackass.
Wait, no. Your name is
Jamar.
no. 5 seconds.
9
5
seconds.
seconds.
5 seconds? Nice.
10 seconds.
10 seconds?
It's the nicest. Yeah. I know.